Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again. Christmas is the month of celebrations with so much precaution. The full month is filled with joy, lights, and is incomplete without cake. Happy Christmas to all of you. Today I'm sharing with you rich and tasty plum cake recipe, and I thought this is the right time to share this cake. Do try at your home and customize your cake with your taste and your favorite items. Hope you'll enjoy it. Let's begin. First step to make this cake is soaking the dry fruits and nuts. You can choose any dry fruits and nuts of your choice. Chop all nuts and fruits. This cake is originally made by soaking the dry fruits and nuts in rum for minimum 1 month, but I am not going to use alcohol. Instead, I am going to use orange juice. Also, you can use grape juice instead. In a bowl, adding half a cup black raisins, 1/4 cup golden raisins, 1/4 cup dates, cut it into small chunks, 1/4 cup cherries, 3/4 cup Tutti frutti, chopped pistachios, walnut, almond and cashews, take each 1/4 cup. Mix it together. Add 1 cup orange juice, mix it and soak the dried fruits and nuts are fully immersed. Cover and let it soak for minimum 1 day to maximum for a month. Keep it in the fridge. If you want to make cake instantly, then boil the dry fruits and nuts along with the juice for 3 to 4 minutes and let it cool completely, and then add it into the cake batter. After a day of soaking, let's start making the plum cake by caramelizing the sugar. Heat half a cup of sugar along with 2 tablespoons water and boil it until it gets nice dark amber color. Once you get brown color, add half a cup boiling water and stir well. After mixing, turn off the heat and keep it aside. Let it cool down completely. We need to caramelize the sugar to get nice brown color, or you can also add brown sugar instead. Here I am taking 10-inch pan. Grease the pan with oil and line it with a parchment paper. Set aside. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 385 degrees Fahrenheit. This is how it looks after 1 day. Raisins are nicely soaked and most of the juice absorbed by the dry fruits. We need to add some spices for the cake: cinnamon powder, ginger powder, cardamom powder and clove powder. I have cinnamon and ginger powder only, so in a blender add 1 cup of sugar, 5 to 6 cloves and 5 cardamoms and grind it to a fine powder. If you don't have cinnamon powder, you can add cinnamon stick also with sugar and grind it. In a mixing bowl, sift the dry ingredients, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, half a teaspoon cinnamon powder, and half a teaspoon ginger powder. If you have, you can add half a teaspoon nutmeg powder also. Add just a pinch of salt, mix it well combined and keep aside. In another large mixing bowl, adding 200 grams unsalted butter. It should be room temperature. You can also add melted butter. To this, add powdered sugar, which is 1 cup. Beat well. Breaking 3 eggs in another bowl. Add the eggs into the butter, one at a time. Beat until soft and fluffy. Goes in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and orange zest from 1 orange. Beat well combined. Then adding the dry ingredient little by little, gently fold with a spatula until just combined. After mixing, add the caramelized sugar. Make sure the sugar syrup is at room temperature and fold it. Mix the soaked fruits and nuts. Finally, add the fruits and nuts along with the juice. Don't drain the juice. We need the juice in the batter to get nice taste. Fold it again. The batter should not be very thick, no thin. This is the right consistency. Transfer the cake batter to our baking pan. Level up the cake and garnish with your favorite fruit and nut. Bake preheated oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 70 to 75 minutes. This time level for 10-inch pan. If you are using medium-sized pan, then you can bake for 40 to 45 minutes or until toothpick inserted into center comes out clean. It depends on your oven temperature and pan size. Our cake is perfectly baked. I also included some tips and tricks to bake perfect plum cake with ingredients below the description. If you have any doubt, please check out. Cover and put the cake on cooling track and let it completely cool down. Hope you'll enjoy it. Do try out and celebrate and let me know your lovely feedback. Once again, Happy Christmas to everyone who celebrates. Cut and serve and enjoy with your loved ones. That's all for today. Hope you'd like it. Do like and share among with your friends and families. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more new updates. Follow my Instagram page, link in my description below. This is Shafana. See you in another video. Until then, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.